everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this origami elephant. And this model is a harder model to do. It's in the upper medium and it's 2/3 the height of the paper that you're using and about 3/4 width. And it's flattened, so the depth is not very big. So any size paper that you want, you could use, but a medium-sized paper, I would suggest that it's not really big or really small. And if you make it too big or too small, your paper would be harder to work with. So a medium-sized would be the best. So you start by folding your model in half by bringing this corner to that corner. Creasing very well. Then you're going to unfold and bring this edge halfway to that center crease. And this is a harder step because you really want them to be the same width away from your center, which I still have problems with doing. So it's definitely not going to be perfect. But just try to make them line up. Okay, now you're going to fold your model in half. And you're going to bring this top part over, like that. And to create your elephant's head, you're going to open this up and fold that down. That should do. And you are also going to need scissors. So you're going to cut here halfway to the center. Just like that. It's going to be cut right there. And you're going to fold it into the center. Just like that. And this will make the elephant's trunk separated from its head. Just a little bit. Just like that. And you want them to be close to the same width. There. Now you're going to fold its trunk back, and then out, and then back, and back out. That's called an accordion fold, and it'll make the elephant's trunk look a little bit more realistic. Now you're going to take this and bring it in to sort of shape your elephant's head. And now to make its tail, you're going to bring this in and then back out to create a tail for your elephant. And that is all. An origami elephant. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my upcoming videos.